Ali stood at the top of the slope in Poiana Brașov, overwhelmed by the majesty that surrounded her. The Carpathians rose proudly into a sky as blue as hope, their white peaks seeming to dance beneath the golden winter sun. Snow flashed like the gems of a royal crown, and pine forests hugged the valleys below, green cloaked in dazzling white. Around Ali, the lift line buzzed with voices, Romanian, English, German, French, laughter weaving together like a tapestry of nations. She marveled at the blend of cultures and languages, a joyful mosaic brought together by the lure of snow and adventure. But Ali's heart thudded with nerves. She stared down at her snowboard, its lemon-yellow paint gleaming against the frosty ground. "I've never done this before," she confessed, voice barely above a whisper. Her instructor, a kind-eyed man from Brasov, smiled. "That's the best place to start. Everyone here began with a first fall." Ali strapped on her helmet, clicked into her bindings, wobbled to standing, and immediately tumbled, face first, into snow. Laughter erupted around her, but it was warm and sympathetic. Her multicultural companions extended gloved hands to help her up. "Don't worry," laughed Maria. "Falling is just part of the fun." Ali grinned sheepishly, but it was hard work. She slipped, spun, and crumpled more often than she glided. "This is impossible," she groaned as she dusted snow from her jacket. "It only feels impossible," her instructor encouraged. "Every pro snowboarder started here, making snow angels by accident." Determined, Ali tried again. After 3 tries, she finally zigzagged a few meters. "Yes!" she shouted, just before crashing into a snowbank. Nearby, a group of kids helped untangle her. "Want to race?" one grinned. Soon she was laughing with her new friends, swapping stories and falls in equal measure. They cheered each other, each using snatches of their native languages. Barriers melted on the mountain, and encouragement was universal. But not all moments danced with joy. During a particularly tough fall, Ali gasped, her courage shaken. "Maybe I'm just not made for this." That night, after mugs of hot chocolate and moments of doubt, Ali found herself gazing at the snowy peaks outside her lodge. She remembered the words from her church back home, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Those words were a gentle warmth in her heart. Strength, she realized, was not about perfection. It was about persistence and faith. The dawn brought fresh snow and new courage. Ali kept going. She fell, got up, and tried again. Each time she smiled with more confidence. Slowly she learned how to control her speed, how to turn, and how to stop, however awkwardly. Her friends cheered wildly at every small triumph. On the 3rd afternoon, clouds rolled in and the sky darkened. A sharp wind whipped the slopes, making everyone pause. Fear pricked Ali's nerves. "Maybe I should walk down," she said. Her instructor knelt beside her. Courage is not never being afraid, it's trying anyway. Ali looked at the mountain, the challenge before her friends watching with hope. She whispered a prayer and pushed off. Step by careful, clumsy step, she threaded her way down through swirling snow, her heart beating with faith and adrenaline. At the bottom, Ali was breathless and beaming. She wasn't the star of the slopes, but she was a snowboarder. She had fallen, tried again, and discovered new friends from faraway lands. Ali understood. It's okay to begin as a beginner. Falling is part of growing. Kindness crosses every border, and with God's help, we can find strength to keep going, even when the climb feels steep. Like and subscribe for more adventures. Tell me in the comments where next.